Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. As you see, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Look at, it's so beautiful. And look at this wallpaper. And people, today I want to install this beautiful wallpaper directly on my beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Get ready to install this beautiful S9 Plus wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let me to show you right now. Follow me. Beautiful phone for you. As you see, it's so great. It's unbelievable. Okay, this is One UE official. I like it. Now let's go to do this. Follow me. Beautiful camera. I like it. Wonderful. Okay, we continue, bro. Don't forget to subscribe and click on like right now. It's free. How to install Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpapers directly on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let me to show you this right now. I'm ready. As you see, it's so beautiful. This wallpaper is not bad. It's unbelievable. Okay, wonderful. I like it. Okay. So nice. Alright, let's do this. To do this, you need to unlock your phone. Oh, beautiful this scanner. I like it. As you see, this is my wallpapers. Thank you. So nice. To do this, you need to go on your browser or Google Chrome. Get ready. Let me to open a new folder. Okay. As you see, beautiful word folder. This is Google Chrome. Look at Galaxy S10. Announced price done. Wow, it's good. Okay, now when you come on Samsung Google website, come here and enter Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh, please, Galaxy S10. Okay, S10 and enter wallpaper. Click on image and get ready. Look at here. This is S10 wallpaper. Do this. As you see, how to get Galaxy S10 wallpapers. Get ready. Look at. To get this, you need actually to hold the screen and click on download, and you can see open. Look at, you have download the Samsung Galaxy S10 wallpaper. And then have you seen this? Wonderful. Now you can go and continue to download another wallpapers. Okay, as this wallpaper. Let's see this. Okay, not bad. What else? Go back. Let's see. Okay, the second is here. Is this. Do this and click on download. Under you can see download. Turn please. You can see download. Okay, get ready. Download. Wonderful. Okay, go back again. Another wallpaper is here. Another one. Do the same action. Click on download. Woo! So nice. Go back again. Let's see another one. Okay, this is so great, bro. Do this. Download quickly. So beautiful. Go back again. And then another wallpaper. Woo, beautiful. Also, click on download. Also, so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and like because it's so great and so beautiful. Go back again. What else? Okay. I also that I have downloaded this. Okay. Okay. Okay, not bad. As you see, this is done. There are another wallpaper that you can download when it's available. Okay. Okay. Go. Let's see on gallery now. Gallery. Okay, gallery. As you see, this is also S10. S10 plus. Okay. S10 plus. Look at this wallpapers. Wonderful. Okay, you can see it's the same. You can enter S10 plus here, and the wallpapers you will see is the same. Okay, I recommend you to enter S10 here to obtain S10 wallpapers, to obtain quickly a beautiful S10 wallpaper. Whoa, look at this. It's so great. Wonderful. S10 plus wallpapers is here. I like it. Okay, how to install this on your beautiful screen? Let's do it right now. Okay, come here on your beautiful my face. Okay, go on internal storage. Before doing this, go on your beautiful SD card. If you want to save your wallpapers on your SD card, you can create a new folder, enter S10 plus, okay, wallpaper, okay, wallpapers. All right, now create, go back, and on my internal storage now, go on download, all the same, the first, click on all here, okay, and click on the on move to save directly, go back again to save directly on your SD card, bro, SD card, and in your beautiful new folder that you have created before, S10 plus wallpapers, open, click on move here. Wonderful. Close all of this and go now on gallery. On our gallery, you can see here in front of you all of your new wallpapers appear here, bro. It's so great and it's so beautiful. Now, how to install this? So easy. Oh, excuse me, camera. Do this to be first. Look at this, the first wallpaper. Wow, it's so nice. I like this. I like this. Okay, this is the second wallpaper. Okay, another wallpaper, another one. Wow, I like this, bro. I like this. I like this. And the next. Ooh, look at this quality, so beautiful. Look at this, bro. Ooh, this quality is so unbelievable. I like this. I also about to see. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Okay, to test this, get ready to take this to put on your. Okay, set as wallpaper. Now here you can see this is one UE Android 9P. You can put on your beautiful home screen. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. What the shell? What the hell? Look at that. Wow, I like it. Now click on set as motion effect. Okay, under motion effect, set as wallpaper, click on apply, go home. Woo! Look at, not bad. Okay, come here, let's see something, let's do something. Wait a second, take this to put on your beautiful lock screen. Wonderful, to your lock screen and home page. Wow, look at that, bro, look at that. S9 plus S9 plus wallpaper directly on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy please, not 9, not 8. I think that is so nice with 1 UE, stable 1 UE. I like it. Okay, on your lock screen, what else on your lock screen? What the hell? Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. I like it. Wow. Lock screen, iris scanner. Woo! Beautiful. Look at that. This is Android P, Android Pie, Android 9. Wow. About phone. Sort of information. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. I like it. Look at that, bro. Look at that. I like it. If you like, subscribe, share this video to your beautiful families and get ready. Look at that. Wow. I want to test something. When you take a beautiful wallpaper, look at another wallpaper here. Ooh, there are many wallpapers here, but you can test. Wow. Wow. Ooh, let's test this for example. To this, set as wallpaper, lock. No. I want to put on my home screen. Home screen here. Motion. Okay, you can deactivate motion. Is here. You can deactivate motion for more beautiful. Ooh, beautiful. It's better. It's better. It's better. I think that is nice. Wow. It's nice. It's nice. What do you think about this? Say to me what you think about this under this video, and don't forget to subscribe. On the next video, I will show you how to put this beautiful wallpaper directly on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. Get ready, subscribe, click on like, and let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Wow, it's unbelievable. So nice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today for more videos. God bless you, and let's go.